Getting ready to start breaking down these sheet goods. I thought maybe y'all would like to see this. There's enough interest in this, maybe I'll do a build on it one day. This is a panel saw, and well, I don't know what you call it. I can run the router in it. I got a cheap skill saw that'll go in it. Haven't had the router out of here in a little while. These things are a little tight. And I think I really torqued them down last time for some reason. Shouldn't be that tight. I don't know what was going on there. I just made these where that stays on it. It might be packed full of sawdust because the holes do go all the way through. And that plate simply lifts out. Yeah, it's got sawdust. It's a little loud. And I've got 0 stops on it. I can zero it this way, I can zero it the other way. Think of it, I don't think I was the last person to use this. I think one of my buddies used it last. Anyway, that's about it. I can pull this back, and I have a groove cut in the table already right here on this edge. And the other thing I really do is, not that it's necessary, but I'll throw another clamp. I'll throw one of these clamps on here just to keep the sheet from moving. Wasn't really prepared to share this in video, so you're seeing it in real time. This is exactly what it takes to get set up. Get rid of this router. So I just get down here and figure out where my blade's going to be, how far down I want my blade, set my depth. And I can judge that by this plate down here. I just don't go down below the plate, and I know I'm wading through it. Push this forward to where it's gonna line up with my groove in the table, and I don't even know if you can see that. There's a knob right here. It locks it from going anywhere. I have one on the opposite side too. It's not really necessary to lock it, but I guess I've gotten OCD about it. I like to lock them both. Anyway, it's going to be a little loud, but I'll keep you here through it. For 4 foot, that's pretty good reach across the table, for sure. But you don't have to shove it all the way at once. Do this while I Haven't edited the camera anywhere. Let's get you back up here on this sheet. Carry you in here a little bit. I hope one day I can figure out this camera thing and make it smoother. Yeah, I know this is not the way you're supposed to put this on a sheet, but I guess I can flip it. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's dragging on the other end, so it's as close as what you need it to be. And it's the same going the full length of the table. Let's try and back you up here one more time. Don't know that I'm really high enough to do this, but let's take a look here. Have the full use of the table. One into the other. The table is 8 foot 1 inch by 4 foot 1 inch. And the ends of these arms extend 17 inches out both ends of the table. So there's no problem ripping a full 8 foot sheet. I can lock that stationary and use it like a table saw. Slide the shit through, or slide the stuff through, or use it like a panel saw. And the difference is panel saw only makes one cut and you have to move the board. If you want to rip it, you have to run the board through it. This will move in an X and Y axis. So that's that.